Hey, everybody, fine. This is my family, which is viral ነው የሚወጣው። ኧረ ተው እናንተ ሰዎች። ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ። አሁን የምንገኘው በሐዋሳ ነው። ሐዋሳ ከስራ መልስ ትንሽ ሀፍታ ረፍት ያስፈልገኛል። በሐዋሳ ለመገኘው ሐዋሳ ቤተሰብ ጋር በመሄድ እነዚህ ሁሉ የምታያቸው ቤተሰቦቼ ናቸው። ሃይ በሏቸው ሁሉንም። ሃይ This is my family, which is to become here to be visiting my family. So everybody fine when I say them. So thank you very much to say I'm very happy here. Just she's this girl is, which is very beautiful girl, you know. She's girl, my girl, my child, you know. You don't believe it. Also, this is my son. You don't believe it. Oh, very ambitious, you know. Yeah.